Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Prashanthi, your biology educator. So in today's session we are going to see NEET biology class 11th sense organs structure of eye. So before going to start the session, wish you very happy new year, and so all the best for the NEET students. Give your 100% efforts in the preparation time, and at the same time please don't waste the time and do watch all the NEET sessions and practice more. Okay, we'll start the session today. Structure of eye. So eyes are very sensitive and sense organs in our body. So eyes plays very important role in the coordination part. So eyes means how it looks like. So మనం అద్దంలో చూసినప్పుడు eye will be flat, but when we touch our eyes, the eye will be spherical in shape. Okay, round ball లాగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, ఐ బాల్ అంటాం. ఓకేనా, సో ఐ బాల్ షేప్డ్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే in today's sessions we are going to see the internal structure of the eye. So ఈ ఐ చూస్తే ఐ చుట్టూ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? సో ఐ ఈజ్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ స్పెరికల్ షేప్. సో అండ్ దిస్ స్పెరికల్ షేప్ ఐ బాల్ ఈజ్ కవర్డ్ బై త్రీ లేయర్స్. It was surrounded by 3 layers. So okay, so outermost layers, middle layers and inner layers. Simple way. Today we are going to clear the concept of structure of eye, and please do watch the video till the end, then only you can able to get the concept. Okay, so what are the 3 layers? Sclera, choroid and retina. Sclera is the outermost layer. Okay, see here, sclera is the outermost layer is sclera, and the middle layer is choroid layer. Okay, so and the innermost layer is the retina. Now about these 3 layers, sclera, choroid and retina. One by one we'll see now. So first one, sclera. So this is the sclera, outermost portion, outermost layer, external outermost layer, and it continues anteriorly, and it forms as a cornea. Okay, so listen carefully. The sclera is like this. So it is moving forward. సో కొంచెం ముందుకెళ్ళి ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ని, ఒక కర్వ్ షేప్ స్ట్రక్చర్ని ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఈ కర్వ్ షేప్డ్ స్ట్రక్చరే కార్నియా. ఓకే, సో దిస్ కార్నియా is also have another name, conjunctiva. Okay, whenever we'll get the infection in the conjunctiva, we'll get the conjunctivitis, eye infection. So okay, conjunctivitis. Now, so the second layer is choroid layer. Okay, choroid layer, 2/3 portion of eyeball is going to have this choroid layer. So this choroid layer, see, 2/3 portion is having this choroid layer, and this 2/3 portion contains the blood vessels. It contains the blood vessels. Because of the presence of more blood vessels in one particular part, it is bluish in color. Okay, it is bluish in color. Okay, and then this choroid layer again, like the same way sclera ఎలా అయితే కార్నియా ఫామ్ చేసుకుంటుందో, ఇక్కడ choroid layer కూడా ఏం ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది? ciliary బాడీని ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. ఈ ciliary బాడీని ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, ciliary బాడీ ఇంకా ముందుకెళ్ళి ఏం ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది? ఫస్ట్ choroid layer is posteriorly and it is moving forward, forming ciliary body. Again the ciliary body moving forward, and it is forming the iris. Okay, the muscle fibers are iris. This iris is responsible for regulating the diameter of the pupil. Very important function of the iris. Note down everyone. So iris function to regulate the diameter, means the distance of pupil is going to be regulated by the iris muscles. See here, this green color portion is iris muscle part. Okay, clear? Now, so after that, now retina, third innermost layer is retina, and that is responsible for vision. So retina is responsible for vision. What are the structures are responsible for vision here? So many important questions we'll get from the retina only. Listen carefully. So here retina contains photosensitive compounds. Okay, photosensitive compounds and photosensitive structures or cells are known as rods and cones. So rods, cones, two types of cells untai. So these compounds are responsible for vision. Okay, so first one, rods. So rods contains the photosensitive pigments. Photoreceptor pigment is rhodopsin. Okay, what is the pigment name? Is rhodopsin. So this rhodopsin is a combination of two. One is opsin and another one is the retinol. Opsin is a protein and retinol is a aldehyde derivative of the vitamin A. So very important, vitamin A. So retinol is a aldehyde derivative of the vitamin A. After that, this rhodopsin or rods are responsible for twilight vision, night vision or dim light vision. So when we have less light resources, though we can able to see the objects with the help of the rods. Next one, cones. Cones are cone shaped structure, rods are rod shaped structure, cylindrical shaped structure, and cones are cone shaped structures. Okay, so these cones are three types. So cones are three types, and three types of cones are responsible to receive and also to coordinate with the three types of light rays RGB, red, green, blue. Okay, red, green, blue light rays are going to be absorbed or received by the cones. Three types of cones. By the combinations of cones only we will get the different types of colors. So by the combination of all the cones together, by the combination of these three colors together, we will get the white color appearance. White color appearance we will get by the combination of the cones. Next one, cones are contains the pigment is iodopsin. Okay, cones contains the iodopsin. And what are the another two important structure which is present in the retina? One is fovea, another one is the blind spot. Fovea is also known as yellow spot. Why? Because so just beside the fovea, where is fovea located? So almost posterior to the eyeball, almost it is present in the posterior to the eyeball. So this fovea, also fovea luteus, this fovea luteus is also known as yellow spot. So it contains the bunch of cones. It is contains rich in cones, and these cones are responsible for better vision. Okay, so cones are responsible for better vision. Why? Because it is having the high resolution capacity. High resolution capacity or high resolution undadam valle we can able to get the clear vision about the colors. Okay, colors and objects. And blind spot. So blind spot means there is no pigments, there is no photosensitive pigments are present in this spot, that's why it is blind spot. And where, one more important point, a blind spot not only does not contain the pigments and there is no vision, and also where optic nerves leaves the eyeball, optic nerves leaves the eyeball, and at the same time blood vessels enters inside. So the blood vessels enters inside into the retina through blind spot. Next we'll see about the remaining components in the eyeball, remaining structures in the eyeball. One is lens, iris and pupil. So see here, so the lens is the transparent. So this part is lens is transparent opaque lens, just like which is in the camera. So how we will get the lens in the camera? In the same way, even in our eyes also we have the lens through which the light rays are going to pass from cornea to lens, lens to retina. So this lens is going to be arranged with the help of the ligaments. Okay, the lens is arranged with the help of the ligaments. So these are the ligaments which is going to locate the lens in particular position. After that, so this lens is covered by the iris muscles. The lens is covered by the iris muscles, and in between the iris a small gap is present. That minute gap or aperture is known as pupil. This part is known as pupil. So this pupil dilation is possible with the help of the regular movement of the or the arrangement of the iris muscle fibers. So after that we have two chambers, aqueous chamber and vitreous chamber in the eyeball. So aqueous chamber is present in between the cornea and the lens. So this entire portion is aqueous chamber, which is filled with the tears. So tears are secretions of the lacrimal glands. Note down what are the secretions or which glands are releasing the tears. Lacrimal glands. After that, vitreous chamber contains the jelly substance. That jelly substance is known as vitreous humor. Okay, so vitreous humor is present in the vitreous chamber. So this is all about the internal structure of the eye. Very simple. Note down the flow charts and practice the diagrams and practice the questions from the sense organ structure of eye. Okay, if you like the session, please do like and share and subscribe the channel. Okay, thanks for watching.